Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on this hairstyle that I made for myself. So some of you may know that I just delivered, and to go to hairdresser is somehow stress for me because of the newborn. So I decided to make this hair for myself. So if you want to see how I achieve it, keep on watching. So for the hairstyle, I'll be using the Brazilian wool. I'll be using this Brazilian wool. I only used two. I did not later make use of the three, so I only make use of two, but it depends on how you want it to be full. So you can use all the three, but I don't want mine to be too full because some of you may know I sweat a lot, so I don't want it to be too full. So that is why I just use only two. So what I'm doing now, I'm showing you guys how I straighten the Brazilian wool to make it. So now I'm just removing it from my leg, cutting it. So after cutting it, so just like that. So you may need someone to assist you when tying it. So my billionaire family, please do let me know if you want me to make this hairstyle on someone. Let me know at the comment section for you guys to see the hairstyle properly, because when me sewing it on my head, I did not know the camera did not focus on my head very well. So do let me know if you want me to do the tutorial on somebody head. Let me know. So at this stage now, we need someone to assist you to hold it. You will need someone to assist you to hold it. So and please look at the way I'm measuring it, because this measurement is very important. So just look at the way I'm measuring it. So please let me know what you think about this tutorial. Do let me know. So let me leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and help me to share this video with your loved ones. You may easily just do this style at home. No need of you stressing yourself going to hairdresser. So that is it. Let me leave you guys to enjoy the video. All right.